Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to set up MuMu Player and restore Venmo backup file. So, if you like profitable content, then press the subscribe button and get follow to me. So, open MuMu Player. See their own file here. Now create new. Create. Now you click on three dot. See the backup and restore option. Click here. Then select the restore device, restore now. So 411, this is my file. Here my Venmo file. Open. See, device has been restored. Click open. Now I will connect proxy. See, I am using 9 proxy GB. User password. Click enable authentication. Then click here to connect. Start services. See the icon of connected, the IP. Now check the on Chrome browser the IP connected or not. It's loading little bit. See my IP 65.195.39.107. See the same IP is there connected. Now open Venmo apps and see if work or not. See here my Venmo account. If you don't have a phone to use Venmo, you can use MuMu Player on your desktop or laptop. So that's it. If you need any USA account like Chime, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, any other USA account, you feel free to join my Telegram channel. Telegram channel link on description here and also video description. That's for today.